Hey guys, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be washing this 2016 Camaro RS. Now from the looks of the video, you might not think it's that dirty, but when you really look at it closely, there's all kinds of pollen, dirt, grime, water spots, leaves. It gets parked under a tree and it's not really driven that much. So we're gonna do a full exterior detail on this Camaro RS and I'll show you exactly the products that we use. So without further ado, let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the transformation. So to start out, we're going to do a pre-wash rinse just to make sure that we're getting a little bit of the dirt and grime off the car, just so that when you're using the brushes, we're not going to go ahead and scratch the paint. So just get a little pressure washer, electric pressure washer. If you don't have one, it's okay to use a hose as we're doing right here, and just go ahead and lightly soak down the entire car before starting to wash it with suds. Next, we're going to go into Chemical Guy's Diablo wheel cleaner, and this is actually a wheel cleaner that smells like bubble gum, so it makes the tires and wheels smell really nice. And just make sure you spray it all over the tires, spray it all over the wheels, and get yourself a little brush and start going to town getting that road grime and dirt off the wheels. And the reason why you want to actually clean your wheels first is because when you're washing your car, you don't want the dirt and grime flinging off the wheels and hitting the sides of the car. So if you clean the wheels first, by the time you're ready to wash the car, the wheels are already clean, and it's less chance of getting water and dirt and grime and dust, brake dust all over the side of the car. Alright, and now on to the best part. We're going to go ahead and snap on this foam cannon nozzle real quick And actually this time we're going to use the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash from Chemical Guys. So we'll go ahead and put that inside the bottle and then go ahead and fill it up with water all the way to the top. And then from there we're going to go ahead and put it on nice and snug and get ready to start foaming this car. Next up, get your microfiber towel and just start drying this car. Now when you dry the car, you just want to go back and forth, up and down, up and down. If you try to do it in circles, you're going to create swirl marks. So make sure that you're just going back and forth and doing a nice vertical motion. Next up, we're using Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine. So let's go ahead and spray this all over the tires. Make sure you get every little piece of the tire. Now for this, you can either use a brush or you can use what we did. We used a old white towel that we really don't care about to really get it soaked into the tire and really give it that shine. Now at the bottom of the tire, as you can see, it's a little hard to get under. You can, if you want, move the car up to get really under it, but you don't have to if you can get under it with your hands. And lastly for today, we're going to use Armor All's glass wipes for the windshield and the window. So many of you may know after you finish that wash, you still got those swirl marks going on the windshield and the windows, but get some Armor All in there, get some glass cleaner, and really make it perfect. just like that, the exterior wash is complete. If you guys found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. We post new videos on the channel every single week. And if you're wondering about the products that we use in this video, I'll put a link in the description where you can go ahead and check it out. It's actually a great option, great for a budget. If you don't have much money to spend, but you want your car to look absolutely flawless, definitely use these choices. Get yourself a couple items off Amazon and go ahead and get to town. Alright y'all, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.